Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of studying and how a cool tool called ChatGPT can actually make your life easier. Today we're focusing on how it can be a game changer for your studies. The key to using ChatGPT effectively is giving it clear and simple prompts. Here are some awesome examples you can use right now. For understanding concepts, use this prompt. Real-world connection. Use this prompt. For active learning and retention, for practice, use this prompt. Turn it into a story. Use this prompt. Quiz. Use this prompt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome study hacks.